Here comes a new challenger!
This is going to be an interesting challenge. For the next 24 hours, I'm going to be attempting the 30-day muscle up challenge. That's right, 30 days in 24 hours, while teaching you how to muscle up.
Here comes a new challenge!
And to help me is my good friend Chris Herrier, whom I've never met. In my last video, this is a handstand. I attempted the 30-day handstand challenge, and I couldn't find a free 30-day plan. So I set out again to create my own, using Chris's video, which I'll link below, as well as a link to download my free 30-day muscle up challenge. But here's the problem. I've never ever done a muscle up, so I don't know what I sign up for. Also, most people are scared of failing. But to be honest, and I never thought I'd say this, but I'm scared of succeeding. Last time, I didn't hit my handstand goal of a 10-second hold in 24 hours, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna go this time. According to the Tatted Up Calisthenics Guide, in order to successfully achieve a muscle up, there's 7 requirements you must meet. First is a 15-second hanging L-sit hold. While hanging, raise your legs until they hit parallel and hold, keeping them as straight as you are. Number 2 is how I do a poo. 15 hanging leg raises. Just like the exercise you just saw. Once your legs hit parallel, control it back down to starting, and repeat. Keep it nice and controlled, like your girlfriend. Number 3, if you agree, is 15 straight bar dips. Start by mounting the pole, bringing your chest to the bar, and come up. Arms extended, and repeat. Continuing to dominate, on top. Next is toes to bar for 10 reps. Start by leaning back, pushing the pole forward and away from you as you bring your legs up towards the pole. Touch, and reverse. And repeat. Last one is really hard. I struggled a lot. The sun's out, can't complain. Last one is really hard. Number 5 that ends with a jive is 10 negative muscle ups. Start on top with your chest to bar, even if it means climbing up every damn time. Control yourself down and around the pole. Dropping your legs only when your head reaches your biceps and glides through. I honestly had to really work for that one. Getting up on that pole, pulling myself up, coming back down, that was real tough. Number 6 gets the chicks. 10 jumping muscle ups. If you were dropped on your head like me as a kid, and your parents deny any wrongdoing, then do yourself a favor, find a short bar, performing a straight bar dip at the top. This is your chance to show them size does not matter. Number 7 is easier done in heaven. The ultimate decider, 15 pull-ups. Who needs Red Bull when pull-ups gives you wings? All natty baby. Start by arching your back, chest up. Pull up the bar to the top of your chest, but just note, the bar might pull you. I just made it. Nothing comes easy, eh? Well, the easy part is done, but we're only just getting started. Next is 3 progression exercises you must successfully complete before attempting the muscle up. It's about 240 right now. 10 muscle ups in a row. Let's do it. Oh, fuck.
What have I got?
That is hard to do 10 in a row. I just did 2. I'm gonna try for 3 right now. I think I'm getting tired. So I managed to get 2 muscle ups, twice. No more, no less. Is that just luck? I'm gonna come back and try again later and try for 3. Right now I've done 2. It's all about that 1% improvement each time. Let's go. The first exercise is called the magic button. The goal of this exercise is to build up as much energy as possible so that you can explode onto the bar. To set up the magic button, place an object down in front, hands on the bar, stepping forward as far as you can, and adjust accordingly. To perform the exercise, take a step back, walking out as far as you can, matching your feet in the process. As your feet hover above the magic button, step down with force, as if trying to stop a dollar bill from flying away, and then return to standing. To know if you're doing it correctly, you should feel a tug in your chest. This is my first time. This is my first time doing this, so let's see how I go. Perform 10 reps before moving on. Next up for number 2 is L-sit pullback. To move into the L-sit pullback, press down hard on the magic button. Then, as you start to swing back, perform a lat pull under motion, at the same time lifting your legs into an L-sit. It's probably a good time to squeeze your core real tight for a more advanced movement. Control yourself back towards the magic button, dropping your legs only as soon as you pass the bar, pressing hard into the button once again, and repeat. Once you get comfortable, one thing you need to remember is to have your scapulars activated, retracted, chest up and forward with a slight lean backwards. But let's be honest, the real challenge hasn't even started. Alright, so we're back. We're going for 3 reps this time. Keep dropping my legs. Oh no, can't even do 1 right now. I reckon once I'm up there, then that's done. Do a straight bar dip and then back down I go. It's now 4:30 PM and it's my final attempt at getting 10 muscle ups. But let's be a little more realistic. Ow! I should have warmed up. Let's start with 1 more than last time. 3 muscle ups. Yes, 1. Oh my god. Got 1. Got 1. Having only managed just 1 muscle up and a handful of bloody calluses. It's getting worse and worse, I think. It's probably better to rest up and try again tomorrow morning. It was time to hang up the boots for today. Imagine giving up on your dreams, only to realize that you could have made small improvements every day and over time, achieving a result you never thought was possible. Or better yet, help millions around the world do the same. Last but not least, number 3, lay over the bar. Sounds easy, right? As you move into an L-sit, pull your chest to the bar, moving in a C motion. In other words, up and around the bar, as opposed to straight up. Then finish with a straight bar dip. And there you go, that's the muscle up. Having achieved just 2 muscle ups yesterday, I was hoping for a breakthrough of 3. The biggest thing holding me back right now is actually my calluses. It hurts. No luck this time. Just 2 muscle ups at best. More like 1 if you ask Chris. But this ain't luck. Who am I kidding? I still felt like I made progress. Because at the end of the day, it's not all about numbers. Sometimes we progress in ways we can't exactly quantify or measure, like better form or stronger reps. And with everything in life, train your mind to look at what you did well, like a glass half full, rather than focusing on why you failed. And keep improving 1% every damn day. 4 minutes 30 left. If you stick to the end, I might give you some tips on achieving your first muscle up, or perhaps how you can keep improving. Yes! Depends. See, it doesn't have to be hard, unless you make it hard. Might have cheated for the second one, but I kind of just bounced up. Personally, I think I really work well if I'm under time pressure. 3 minutes on the clock in my drop top. Yes! Have about a minute to go right now. Alright, 30 seconds. Ooh. Oh, time's up. So we're here 48 hours later. Let's see how I go. So far my best is 2 muscle ups in a row. No more, no less. But was it luck? Oh my god, that was so close. That's exactly why we're here. To test that theory once and for all. Yes! You see, most of the time, we find that we judge ourselves on who we are today, rather than who we're gonna become tomorrow, simply by putting in 10 to 15 minutes of work today. I just did 4 muscle ups. I don't know how legit that is, because I did bring my knees in, but it feels amazing getting up there. Here's the biggest thing I've learned from this challenge, and how you can achieve your first muscle up. Number 1 is making sure you're in a more horizontal position right after kickoff. In other words, lean back and retract your scapula. It helps to look up rather than forward. This will then allow you to more easily pull the bar under your chest as you move from L-sit pullback to laying over the bar to then completing your first ever muscle up. Next, when going into an L-sit pullback, pull the bar down and around into your under chest, making sure your legs don't drop in the process. And also making sure you ride the momentum. Timing is crucial. I made the mistake of thinking too hard about the next move, from the magic button to the L-sit pullback and so forth. It also helped when I practiced doing jumping muscle ups when I kept failing to get on top of the bar. Number 3, when coming down to go for your next rep, keep your legs up as if you're doing an L-sit hold, dropping your legs only once you pass the bar, pressing hard into the magic button and repeat. And as you probably guessed, my biggest mistake to get consecutive reps was because I let my legs dangle right before I dropped. Bonus tip, and I wish I knew this sooner, is to have your hands wrapped over the bar so that right before kickoff, your wrists are bent, palms on top, giving you the ability to easily transition into a muscle up. If you have any more questions on how to progress, make sure you leave them down below, and I promise, I'm going to help you to the best of my ability. Alright, that's it for this 30-day muscle up challenge in 24 hours. So far I've done the handstand, I've done the muscle up now. There's so many other skills that I haven't learned yet, like the front lever, the planche. These are things that I do want to learn, but it's all about improving a little bit each day, over time, achieving something that you never thought was possible. I want to inspire you to do the same. Let me know your goals down below. Let's have a chat. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.